Hey guys, so it's Saturday and I was browsing the internet and happened to come across this machine. Actually, I was looking at a backhoe they had for sale. I've been driving past for a couple weeks now. I was just curious what it was bringing, and more than I wanted to spend. So I was looking at the other equipment they had and came across this. So Sub Mechanic Special. Of course, that always gets my interest. So I called them up and I said, what's exactly the problem with it? They said, it's got engine noise. So it's an earlier model, 1840 skid steer. Not sure what the engine noise is yet. Haven't done anything. I guess the guy decided they didn't want to dig into it any. There was another one there for sale. So he just ended up taking that other machine. No bucket or forks. It's the older style case quick attach. No auxiliary lines. $3,700 hours. Overall, looks like a fairly straight machine. Gonna need some tires soon, but they all hold air. Not all beat up. It's like a little antifreeze there. Cummins 4B. Well, I guess I'll get off the trailer here in a little bit and maybe try to start it, see what kind of noise I gotta deal with here. First I gotta finish taking care of the snow blower tractor. Spit the drive shaft out on me. And I broke a shear pin. Got a rock in the auger. So that'll be first thing to do, and then I'll see about getting this off the trailer. Another impulse buy project. Might keep it, might fix it and sell it. But would be a handy machine to have around too. Alright, I'll give you guys a little startup for this thing. You can hear the issue. So that's what I've got to deal with. So I'm going to start taking things apart and we'll see what actually we find and get into here.